Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be explaining you the problem get lowest free. So chef goes to the supermarket to buy some items. Luckily there is a sale going on under which chef gets the following offer. If chef buys 3 items, then he gets the item out of those 3 items having the lowest price as free. For example, if chef bought 3 items with the cost 6, 2 and 4, then he would get the item with the cost 2 as free. So he would only have to pay the cost of the other 2 items, which will be 6 plus 4, basically 10. Chef buys 3 items having prices A, B and C respectively. What is the amount of money chef needs to pay? So so this is easy only. First let's take input. We have integer t denoting number of test cases. So for every test case, we'll call a function solve, right? And for every test case, we have 3 integers, a, b, and c. And a, b, and c are basically the prices of the items. So let's understand. They have given 3 examples, and in which first one is 6 to 4. So we have 6 to 4. So basically, chef has gone to supermarket, and here, in supermarket there is one offer. If chef buys 3, items, and the 3 items price are A, B, and C. These are 3 items, and the offer is whichever item has lowest price, that he'll get free of cost. Only the remaining items he'll have to pay it. For example, in this case, if you see, 2 is the lowest price of the item. So the price that he needs to pay will be only A plus C, not B, which is basically 6 plus 4, which is 10. So that they are saying. Okay. So I think you guys have understood the problem statement. Let's try to understand the second example. We have 3, 3, 3. Okay. We have A as 3, B as 3, and C as 3. So in this case, if we see, the prices of all items are same. So if he, if the prices of all items here, which means minimum is among one this, so the total price that he'll be paying is only B plus C, you can think of. So which is 3 plus 3, which is 6. So only 6 rupees or only 6 rupees he'll be paying. So let's try to understand this one now. 844. So we have these prices. So if you see, least among these is 4 only, because this is highest, this is second highest, and this is also second highest. But since there is offer, so one more lesser number of price is 4 only. So this will be free of cost. So the price that will be paying is 12 rupees. So how do we solve this now? So what I'll do is, among these 3, I'll try to find the minimum. Let me call it as mi, or let me call lowest. That will be minimum of A, B, C, right? So once we found minimum of A, B, C, which is 2 in this case, that is fine. Now your price that you'll be paying is basically A plus B plus C minus the minimum, which is lowest, right? Understood? So it's like you will be adding all the prices, and whichever is the minimum, that you will be subtracting. So in this case, if you try to see, A plus B plus C you have, but your minimum is B in this case. So you will be basically subtracting these 2, and you will be paying A plus C, which is here 10. So in the same way, if you try to put it here, so your minimum in this case will be lowest in this case is basically A, let's say. So the price what you are paying is A plus B plus C minus your minimum, which is lowest is A. So this you are cancelling, and you will be paying B plus C. So basically all the prices will be adding and lowest price will be subtracting, and that will give us our answer. So let's try to solve it. We'll take int lowest as minimum of, since we are comparing three values, let me put in a curly braces. So this is the way you use minimum for multiple values, more than two values. In case of two values, you will be not using this curly braces, only a comma b you will be using, right? So we are using for 3. So this is minimum what we have got. Now price will be a plus b plus c minus the lowest. Lowest will be from here among a, b and c. One will be lowest and that will be subtracting it here. At the end we will have to display the price. Let's try to run it, and we are expecting 10, 6 and 12, and yeah, we are getting it. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So in this way you could have solved the problem. So basically add all the prices and remove one of the lowest. That's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.